Imagine the warmth of a Tuscan villa. Comfortable, a little rustic, with just a pop of metallic and a little bit of color. So comfortable and inviting. That's what Pioneer has captured on their Tuscan Villa Collection. So what we're seeing is all that coloration that you're experiencing in that Tuscan Villa. We're going to be using the new foliage bush along with a variety of colors and in the flowers. In this design, we'll be using the Maverick container, the new fall foliage with the blue eucalyptus and a variety of the flowers in this perfect color combination. In the completed design, you can see the open, airy feeling that we have in that popular look that we have these days. Also something tall to complement that for our Tuscan Villa collection.